Hi! In front of me is Redmi A1 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. First of all, go into settings and scroll down to access password and security. Then click on face unlock and enter your current login method. Following that, click on Start at the bottom. Wait 5 seconds and choose Next in Attention pop-up. Now keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. You can name your face data however you want to, and when you're ready, click on Done. Over here, adjust all of those options, and now, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on. I can see that face unlock is working properly. If you wish to disable it, you can do that by tapping on this switcher next to unlock using face data. You can switch it back on the same way. In order to delete face data completely, click on it over here. Tap on Delete face data and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!